Well, our first bona fide measurable snowfall of the season, and it was pretty impressive in some spots, like in Fannin County, Blue Ridge, a half a foot of snow, just a little under that in Waleska and Union County. In Jasper, 3.5 inches, Roswell in North Fulton picked up 2.5 inches, and in Marietta just a little under that, around 1.5 to 2 inches. So a healthy snowfall as we moved through the day. Things started to dry out and warm up, but still there's some moisture in some spots, and we may have some freezing fog tonight, and that's when we have fog and you get a little moisture at the surface, and then it freezes into a very thin sheet of ice. So we could have some black ice possible tonight. Now, you may be okay on some of the roads where the ground insulates the roads and kind of warms it up and keeps it above freezing, but then you may be driving and end up on an overpass or a bridge, and there the air is going to be able to cool it underneath. If the temperatures are freezing or below, it'll be able to cool that surface, and you could get a thin sheet of ice there. Even if things have dried up pretty well, there may be some spots of ice. So do be careful, especially on elevated surfaces this evening, as when you have an elevated surface, it's easy for that air to get underneath and chill that concrete down to freezing or below. So the roads may be refreezing in spots tonight. We'll have the fog around in spots from all the latent moisture we have, and light winds. We'll get some fog, and that may freeze on some surfaces, so be careful. And then on our Sunday, it'll be dry with more rain expected next week. Yes, each and every day next week. So enjoy your dry day on Sunday. So tomorrow morning, as you head out, early tomorrow morning, if you head out, maybe you'll just want to stay in until it warms up. It's going to feel like we're below freezing in Carrollton, Rome. It's going to feel like 27 in Dalton, 29 in Canton. It's going to feel like 31 in Atlanta at 7:30 tomorrow. So temperatures definitely staying chilly to start, and then we'll warm it up to just about the seasonal norm, mid-50s by the time we get to the afternoon. So here's the pattern for tomorrow. We'll have just a few clouds around. Once that fog clears, we'll end up seeing some sunshine mixed with clouds, but for the most part, partly cloudy skies expected on our Sunday. And then we get into Monday. I think the first half of the day will be dry, but then we'll end up seeing that rain move in on Monday afternoon in Rome, and then moving across on Monday evening. In fact, this is the American model showing it moving back in Monday night. Tuesday looks pretty active here with some showers and possible thunderstorms. Getting into Wednesday, yes, another day that could be quite wet for us with possible thunderstorms late in the day. And then again on Thursday, showers and thunderstorms are possible. Those rainfall amounts at first on Monday evening coming down pretty good. We'll end up seeing maybe an inch and a half in northwest Georgia. Then it accumulates more on Tuesday. We could be talking some totals up around 2.5 to maybe even 4 inches before all is said and done this week. So particularly aimed here across the northern part of our state, but even in the Atlanta metro area easily an inch to even 2.5 inches expected. So stay tuned as this wet pattern continues, and enjoy your Sunday after the fog lifts and it warms up a little bit. It should be a nice day in the mid-50s with quite a bit of sunshine, but then the clouds roll in and thicken up on Monday. We have rain late in the day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a chance for thunderstorms each day with heavy rain at times, and it looks like we'll have rain clear through Friday of next week.